Trip mo bang sabayan ng experience na artsy ang iyong paboritong coffee? Abay, siguradong must try para sa inyo ang pagbisita dito sa Coffee RT sa bayan ng San Juan, La Union. Dito, pwede kang mag-bonding ng tropa habang ini-enjoy ang very cozy na vibe at ina-appreciate ang iba't ibang artworks ng mga Pinoy artists. Ito kasi ang vision ng owner nitong si Miss Hansel nang itayo niya ang business niyang ito. Una sa poblasyon Makati at ngayon meron na rin dito sa La Union.
It's actually a small art gallery concept. The reason why I chose my concept to be an art gallery kasi parang I'm expressing myself. Medyo gala kasi ako. I always love learning new things. I decided to make it an art gallery para at least every month we change the concept.
Yes.
Every month we support different group of
Or
artists. Yeah.
Masasabi kong maging si Miss Hansel, isa ring artist na maituturing. At ipinapakita niya yan sa mga all-original recipes ng kapeng siniserve niya sa Coffee RT.
Growing up kasi, nakikita ko ang lola ko, ang mother ko, ang father ko, na talagang they cook food from scratch because my father is Ilocano and my mother naman is Kapampangan.
Locally sourced ang mga coffee beans at karamihan sa mga elemento ng drinks niya, gawang Pinoy and made from scratch din. At siguradong matitikman mo yan sa mga house specialties nila gaya na lang ng horchata manchado.
The flavor that we wanted to get from this drink is actually the pinipig and espasol.
Pinipig?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yun yung
Want to taste
inspiration
that. Go.
niya.
Kung mas simple pero rock and roll na kape naman ang pasok sa panlasa mo, try mo tong rock salt americano.
Rock salt because I'm using Lingayen rock salt.
Kung festive Pinoy dessert naman ang kinikrave mo, must try daw itong leche brulee latte.
That one naman is inspired by, of course, our festive merienda, which is leche flan.
flan,
Yeah, as simple as that. Na parang may hawig siya sa Vietnamese coffee called Café Trong.
Yung egg.
Yeah, egg yolk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Panalo rin ang meringue macchiato nila dito.
We recommend this for people who love drinking super strong
Okay.
coffee.
I'm giving
but
that
if
to
you
you na
want a little bit sweeter, so that's what the meringue on top give you. The leche brulee latte kasi is made out of, we're using the egg yolk, right? So ayoko nung sayang the
Sayang
egg
yung-
white. So I created this one.
Oh, nice.
Very nice. Very good.
At kung all-out dessert ang hanap mo, pwede mong subukan itong leche flan affogato.
That one is a locally made ice
Ice cream.
cream. Leche flan ice cream. And then the milk that they use is coconut milk.
Sobrang nalalasahan ko actually yung coconut.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Ang kasama nating food explorer na si Hailey, mukhang enjoy na enjoy sa kanyang coffee experience dito sa Coffee RT. Lalo na nang matry niya itong kanilang OG na Pinoy candy.
This is a typical candy na mabibili mo nung panahon namin.
This is called balikutsa.
Balikot siya.
Yeah.
So para itong, well, it's meringue
Yep.
na matamis na
okay.
matamis.
Parang it makes the coffee thicker. Nagkakaroon ng konting foamy effect.
Yes.
Parang gano'n siya.
Kakaibang coffee experience talaga ang hatid ng mga drinks dito para sa lahat ng art and coffee lovers. At kung di mo pa natatry dito sa Coffee RT dito sa San Juan, La Union, where have you been?